Welcome to Learn Stock Charts. I'm coming after 4 or 5 days. So first of all, very happy New Year to all of you. And today, as I'm not going to analyze a new stock, what I'm doing, I'm analyzing the previously analyzed chart. So just we are going ahead with the daily time frame today, because as we have already analyzed lot of charts previously of Nifty 50 stocks, because basically we are analyzing Nifty 50 stocks only, and the analysis is based from higher time frame to lower time frame daily. But now today we are going from Adani Ports till Tata Motors, which is the last analyzed stock. So let's start from Adani Ports. So guys, in a daily time frame, Adani Port is coming in the range 777 to 680. Still no upside downside movement I am able to see. So I'm not keeping it a radar right now. Asian Paint, guys, Asian Paint, go ahead with all breakouts till now, whatever the resistance we have marked. So let me mark the new resistance, which I am able to see. The new resistance for it is this one, guys, or you can say, if this is today, this one is the highest resistance, 3507. And if I say on a monthly basis, just 1 minute, it might going to touch 3507 and cross it. So this is null and void, but this trend line is keeps on moving. So keep a radar on Asian Paint. If you think you want to earn some amount, you can think about Asian Paint according to your own analysis, because I am not a SEBI registered person. I'm just giving views on this channel on the basis of for educational purpose, because we are learning on the basis of support and resistance, trend lines, and price action. So Asian Paint is marked red. Bajaj Finserv, guys, let me daily analysis. So guys, this trend line is null and void for Bajaj Finserv, but yes, this upside resistance is still there, valid dynamic resistance. So let's wait and watch. But next point is 17179, and if it cross 17806, so Bajaj Finserv keep on radar. Bharti Airtel, I keep an eye on Bharti Airtel, and I told you cup shape pattern is there. This one is a cup shape pattern. So, and this one is that trend line for it. So cup shape pattern is working little bit, but let's see if cup shape pattern works, then chances are that it will cross 781. But keep an eye, wait and watch. BPCL, guys, uh, BPCL is in the range 381 to 397. I'm marking it, this line null and void, but this dynamic resistance is there. Keep an eye on it. But Britannia, guys, what Britannia is doing, Britannia is making this W shape pattern. So if this W shape pattern breaks, next target is 3760 according to the resistance. This dynamic resistance line is null and void now. Keep an eye on it. Cipla, guys, Cipla, I'm just marking it unmarked, because Cipla right now what I am able to see is 882 is lower side, 969 is upper side. Coal India, guys, see how Coal India gives the breakout, and touching this resistance 155. If it breaks, then definitely 162. Keep an eye on Coal India, 6.33% today. So you can imagine if around 3 to 5% might be tomorrow. Divis Lab, going near to dynamic resistance, but having a retracement at 4651. If it break out 4746, 4862. Dr. Reddy, see guys, Dr. Reddy gives the breakout and respecting the retracement now. So if it goes above 5083, but there are multiple resistance which are there in between. This is also the resistance 4974. So, and if I can say specifically, this one is a major resistance 4997. Eicher Motor, guys, breaking the W shape pattern, this one, and going above, upside is 2789. Grasim, guys, if it Grasim breaks 1717, like, because if you see 921 exponential moving average, it try to cross the moving average. If it crosses the moving average, upside is 1717. SCL Tech, guys, SCL Tech is making a remarkable journey right now, like going upside, and the next resistance for it is 1380. HDFC, see guys, HDFC, if I can see, this is a dynamic resistance. Let's see if it works for dynamic resistance, but definitely it tries to touch the dynamic resistance and try to retrace back, then give a breakout, then shoot up. HDFC Life, again, it is, this dynamic resistance is working, so let's extend it. And there is one more support I am able to see, this one. So guys, symmetrical triangle is all there. Let's see how this symmetrical triangle work. This is how the symmetrical triangle pattern starts and then start working. Hero Motocorp, guys, see, a resistance, a dynamic resistance, and a trend line support. Breakout, as Hero Motocorp is shoot up till 2617. If not breakout, downside 2350. Let's see which one it's prefer. Hindalco, Hindalco is also trying to touch this 481, so upside is there for Hindalco. Keep an eye on Hindalco also. All the mark red are in radar for us. Hindustan Lever, Hindustan Unilever, no clear cut view. So let me just unmark it. Indus Industrial Bank, guys, touching the resistance, respecting the resistance. Next target is 969 upside, because that is also one of the resistance, and lower side one support is 804. Let's see where it will go. Infosys, guys, I told you few days back, if you remember my Infosys one, if this a breakout come, then sky is the limit. And if I can say 1848 till 1890 1913 in a monthly chart, if I see, guys, high chances that it will move little bit above also, more above, but you have to keep an eye on it. See guys, whatever the views I am giving, like educational purpose, but if you are able to see, you are close watching it, we are trying to figure it out, the patterns, the movements. This is how the price action and this trend lines and support resistance work, and actually the market is respecting these things. Like if you can say, nothing is perfect, but yeah, still like 80 to 70% it respects those things. So try to learn the concepts, actually how these concepts are working. IOC, we have not marked anything, but let me mark IOC in front of you. This is support, this is resistance, this one is one more resistance, and this one is one more resistance, and a trend line I am able to see, might be visible to you guys also. So let's wait how this is working, so how the movements will come into picture. IOC marked. ITC guys respecting the resistance, becoming a support, resistance support बन चुका है, and this upside trend line is there. JSW Steel, JSW Steel no views right now, but in between 697 650. Kotak Bank, let me unmark जी. Kotak Bank guys रेजिस्टेंस को पिक किया है, एंड दिस ट्रेंड लाइन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम अपसाइड. सो इसने ट्रेंड लाइन का ब्रेकेज भी शो किया है, बट लेट्स वेट फॉर टुमारो इफ इट विल गो टिल 1877 एंड 1937. L&T guys, L&T is in between this trend line and this trend line. Keep an eye on it. Maruti guys, ये भी मारुति भी उसी चाल पे चल रहा है, तो ब्रेकआउट अगर आएगा तो 7717 7815. नेस्ले इंडिया, आई टोल्ड यू दिस जोन व्हेन ब्रेक गिव्स अ ब्रेकआउट 19385 till 19820, 500 rupees. Today it tried to retrace, if you can see. So if this retracement break 2060 is the next target, or might be, if I can say specifically, this is, let me mark, let me mark this line. NTPC guys, NTPC ने भी ब्रेकआउट दिया था, एंड NTPC इज इन द रेंज 130 to 124. ONGC, NTPC को मैं अनमार्क कर रहा हूँ. ONGC गाइस डायनामिक रेजिस्टेंस को के अराउंड घूम रहा है. पावर ग्रिड, सी गाइस, पावर ग्रिड भी इसी जोन में चल रहा है. कीप एन आई ऑन पावर ग्रिड. ज़्यादा महंगा शेयर नहीं है, सो ब्रेकआउट आएगा तो ज़्यादा बहुत 225 से 220 से ऊपर जाएगा, और जितना डाउन साइड है, लाइक इफ़ यू कैन सी, लेट मी कॉपी दिस, क्लोन, लेट मी क्लोन इट. तो कहीं से भी अगर ब्रेकआउट आया तो इतना ही ऊपर जाएगा, एंड यू कैन सी द प्राइस इज 30 रुपीज़ का ब्रेकआउट है ये, सो ध्यान रखना. SBI लाइफ गाइस, SBI लाइफ भी वैसे ही है जैसे जोन में घूम के. नाउ इट इज़ हैविंग 1209 टू अपसाइड रेजिस्टेंस मार्क्ड है आपके पास. SBIN ने ब्रेकआउट तो दिया था डाउन साइड, बट स्टॉक अभी ऊपर जाने के लिए रेजिस्ट कर रहा है, तो 478 487 मार्क कर लेते हैं. शी सीमेंट, यहाँ पे ये हमारा ट्रेंड गलत हुआ, एम शेप पैटर्न को फॉलो नहीं किया इसने, ठीक है ना. तो बट यस, ट्रेंड लाइन मिल रहा है इसे. ट्रेंड लाइन को देखो, और ये ऊपर से भी एक ट्रेंड लाइन आ रहा है, दिस वन, दिस. देखते हैं ब्रेक होता है कैसे चलता है आगे, बट यस. सन फार्मा गाइस, बोला था कप हैंडल पैटर्न, एंड देखिए कप हैंडल पैटर्न कैसे काम किया. ये भारतीय एयरटेल के लिए भी कप हैंडल पैटर्न ही चल रहा है. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे, भारतीय एयरटेल, देखा, ये भी कप हैंडल पैटर्न में ही चल रहा है, और ये सन फार्मा भी कप हैंडल पैटर्न में चला है. और कप हैंडल, ठीक है, और कप हैंडल पैटर्न में ये होता है कि इसका जितना विड्थ होता है ये वाला, ठीक है, इसको मैं क्लोन करता हूँ, तो ये जहाँ से अगर मान लो, वन मिनट, लेट मी री अगेन क्लोन इट, क्लोन, ये यहाँ तक जाना चाहिए लॉजिकली, एंड इफ़ यू कैन सी ये 869 तक का टारगेट बोल रहा है, तो लेट्स सी जाता है या नहीं जाता है, बट स्टिल अच्छा मूवमेंट दिया इसने. सो हैप्पी दैट सन फार्मा गिव्स द मूवमेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू अस. टाटा कंज्यूमर गाइस रिस्पेक्ट कर रहा है ट्रेंड लाइन की, और अपसाइड आपको दिख रहा है 789. वेट एंड वॉच. टाटा मोटर्स. टाटा मोटर्स गाइस नो क्लियर कट व्यू बट डब्ल्यू शेप पैटर्न बना रहा है, बट लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच. अभी कुछ कहना जेन्युइन नहीं है टाटा मोटर पे. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द एनालिसिस. सो गाइस हमारा एनालिसिस आपने देख लिया है. लाइक मोस्टली आई एम ट्राइंग टू गो हेड विद पैटर्न्स, support and resistance trend lines. Most of the time it works, but do your own analysis also, and do comment on the video, do like the video, do share the video with those people who are actually doing this trading or this long term short term swing trading investments. Because we cannot learn alone. We only able to learn when we are share with each other. And you do let me know like what you thought about the videos, and I am trying to improve the videos also day by day. So have a nice day guys. Thank you.